Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
I'm Christina, the mummy.
And I'm Booboo, a kid.
And who are you? You are Lily Jane, Trinity Jordan, and today we're doing, what are we doing?
Unboxing video.
We are, and what are we unboxing?
Fitfun.
fabfitfun box.
Yeah.
So it is a monthly subscription box that we get. Well, not monthly, we get it every 3 months, I think. The girls wanted to do an unboxing video, so this is what we're doing today because this is what we get.
Yeah.
So, fabfitfun box. Let's open it up. You ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Oh. So what do we first get? What is this?
It's amazing.
It is, and it tells you all about the things you get in the box.
Yeah.
And how much they cost and things you can do with the subscription. What else? We have a pass this along to a friend who will love fabfitfun box. And then we have a $15 off code. Then we got, oh, you'll like these. Sticker. Oh, all right. What's the first things we got? Oh, we got slippers. So they are, splendid. They're soft, they are pink, and they're plushy. Now, yes, you can. I know with the fabfitfun box, you have the opportunity to go in and pick what you want in your box, or they can just randomly select it. So how I became to get fabfitfun box is I like surprises, and so I used to get surprises. Now I actually go in and I actually pick some of the things I want. So this is one of the things that I picked because they're soft and they're fuzzy.
And this is one of the things we picked it.
No, it's not. But that's okay. What's next? What is this? This is a Kate Spade.
Yeah.
Kate Spade.
Baby.
Let's see. Nice package. Kate Spade.
Mom, give me
Oh, Kate Spade earrings. Kate Spade, New York, and they come with a nice little carrying case. What else? How are your stickers going, Lily? We got an eyeshadow, a double act shadow stick, and pencil sharpener. We got moisturizing hand cream, which Lily will love because she's obsessed with hand cream. We have a Christopher Robin Paris regenerating mask with prickly pear oil. We have London Town cuticle cream. Let's see if I can open it up. Well, you two are awfully quiet. Yo, you found bubble wrap and you found stickers. So it is, oh, it's literally just a cuticle cream. That's okay, you can look it after. We have a mantra band. She believed she could, so she did. Oh, I get it, a mantra band. Let's see. And then it says on it, I believe, let's see. Very good. I believe she could, so she did. We got 17 free HelloFresh meals. We got more paper. We got a Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. Silica beads. Don't eat those, and they're not salt, and they go in the garbage.
Why?
Because they do nothing. I think they're to keep the stuff in the box fresh, but that wouldn't make sense for this. So let's just recap all the stuff we got with fabfitfun box. I think in Canada, because I'm from Canada, you get the box for, I think it's every 3 months is like $79 or something like that. So we got the hair mask, we got the glow juice, we got their, now I have one slipper because I don't know what they did with the rest of the stuff. Kate Spade earrings. Oh, thank you. We got the hand cream and the cuticle oil. And let's see. Is there anything else? Oh, and the mantra bracelet And I think that is it. So, that is it for us today.
Yeah.
So what do we say? We say thank you for joining us. And see you. Goodbye. See you again soon.
Yeah.
What do you say? What do you say? Tell your people.
Thank you.
Aww.
This time we're making another video.
About what?
About toys.
Toys. Oh, you want to do an unboxing video about toys? Let me guess.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to buy toys to
That's
unbox
where I
them.
figured this was going.
That's what we need to do.
All right, and then give the toys to away.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe we'll do that.
To a viewers who watch our videos.
To the viewers who are watching our videos, you clearly watch way too much YouTube if you think that, if you already know from the first time viewing that, oh, we'll give it to the viewers that are watching our videos. Good job.
No, all the people are watching our videos.
Well, hopefully that will be a lot, but we won't be able to give everybody gifts.
No, we have to buy a lot of them.
Oh, okay.
Then we could, Mom.
That would make sense.
Then
Okay.
we need to buy it.
Okay, bye you guys.
Bye. See you next video. Oh, and the boat is out of here. Mama, I have to say bye.